probably hate me doing this, but a lot of people definitely hate like Thailand vloggers, travel vloggers, any kind of vlogger, especially at restaurants, stuff like that. I mean, if you look at some of the online conversation about that, I mean, it just really bothers people so much. I mean, if somebody's not in my way, I never paid attention to it or like thought about it negatively. Like, who really cares? Somebody has a camera. You know, of course, if they're filming you, you know, if you're in a red light district and they're filming you, I guess that's a whole different thing. But in general, it shouldn't matter. Kind of just make an effort to not even pay attention to looks or stuff like that. I just do my thing. But made it. Smells like sewage immediately. Go in and do an upper body workout today. Probably a long workout. Start off with the sled, pull and push, warm up, get into it. Let's go. Finally gonna get all of my laundry done. It's getting out of hand, and it's probably the most stressful thing I have going on at the moment. Let me show you. I mean, all of these dirty clothes. I'm literally gonna fill 2 suitcases full of clothes. I mean, I don't even know what it's gonna cost, but unfortunately it's not by the kilo, it's like by the piece. And I feel like it's gonna be not cheap, but so many clothes. It's because I moved here and like, I mean, I wasn't even intending on moving here. I was just intending on being here for a month or maybe a month and a half. Something like that, and I brought clothes for that, you know, and I brought clothes with intention to like sell as well while I'm here, but that's difficult. It's not the best place to like bring, especially like designer clothing to, like for consignment and stuff. New York is good for that. Like selling on like Grailed, Depop, and even like eBay. It works, but it's definitely more tricky in Thailand with the shipping. But I am going to eventually like sell at least half of these clothes. A lot of pants, and like I have boots, I have all sorts of stuff that I'm just like not going to wear here. And like are worth a good amount of money, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to sell them and travel lighter. For now, I just have a shitload of clothes I have to keep on me, so yeah. I also am so picky with like telling them, usually I try to get them hand washed and like have them hang dry it, but like they don't want to do that with this amount of clothes, and so I'm just gonna have to have them use cold water and no heat or low heat if they really have to on the dryer. That's the move. So many times I've had my clothes shrunk and just had like a full batch of like expensive clothes, some new clothes just like shrink and no longer fit me, so I never want to feel those feelings again. Well, let's see, I think they'll do well. It's 7 5-star reviews, only 7 reviews, but all the ones that are like a bunch of reviews have enough bad ones about like, oh, they fucked up my clothes or whatever, that I didn't do it. So let's see. I think it's called like Quickly Laundry Pattaya or something like that. So, and they will pick it up and deliver it. So that's, I mean, that's so much easier. I'm gonna prepare that right now. I'm gonna throw them into the suitcases. So just stuff like this, I just don't see myself wearing, like in Thailand. So like, horse leather, Italian, like Guidi boots, really nice boots, probably like $1,200 boots, but they just don't hold their value. These Bottega Veneta shoes, like I want to sell this stuff. I won't get even half of what I paid, but I just have like, even this like too many shoes to be traveling with as well. Yeah, need to minimalize big time. Here's the clothes. 2 suitcases. I hope they don't come on a motorbike to try and take those, because I bet they'll do it. I bet they have the technique for that, but hopefully they have a car. I did tell them there's 2 suitcases, so let's see what happens. Just over near Pattaya Beach. Had to go buy some AirPod style like headphones here. Left mine in New York. Had some AirPod Pro, but I'm not buying those again. Too expensive. Nice outside. Very nice over here. I never saw this viewpoint or stood over here before. I didn't know it even existed. Damn, it's nice out. So nice. Look how many people are around. I mean, I'm at Central. I used to stay more over here, and it's not bad just because you have good access to stuff, but it is bad because the tourists that typically stay over here, or it's mixed, but like if you trying to walk around can be very frustrating over here sometimes, usually. Yeah, it is so nice. I'm gonna have to like take a little walk on the beach or something. I get a nice sunset tonight. Definitely is convenient if you stay like right next to the mall for the sake of having anything you need to buy. Food, groceries, electronics. I think I just said yesterday, like, oh, I could live in Nha Tram Tien easily. I don't need to come over here that often. I realize I come over here a lot, so I want to go grab some specific thing at like Villa Market, or just to buy something in the store. I definitely try and buy most of my stuff in like cheaper markets outside, something like that, if I can. Okay, gonna get out of this mall now. Just walking out to Pattaya Beach, it's nice. So many umbrellas, it's unbelievable. Dropping my shit on the ground. Oh, swimming like animals. not gonna hang out here as long as I anticipated, but it's nice enough. I know I'm a tourist myself, essentially, so, but I still don't like necessarily being in an area just slammed with tourists in general. All taking photos, you know, all. Trying to get to my scooter. I'm not even actually parked over here. There we go. Not bad, right? Oh, white rice. Okay. I'm never gonna eat all this white rice or any of these. Let's see, is there any other dogs over here? Please. I would pet you, but you know the way you're scratching. Didn't eat all of it, so I'm not gonna give him any more. Finished? Finished? Where the fuck are the other dogs? Oh. Goes back. I think the itchiness has overtaken the hunger now that he's eating a little bit. Okay. Alright. Alright. Drive down the beach road a little bit. He's gone. The dog right there. Go eat the white rice, dog. Come over it. That's it. That's it. Now there's a bunch of dogs out there. Oh, now there's there's one eating the rice. These girls are not gonna, you know, these working girls. No, he doesn't even want it. Thought about it. You see, we got other dogs in the distance. The girls are gonna think that I'm filming them, but I'm not. How is the dog eating the rice? So anticlimactic. Climactic. Better than sitting at the apartment. Okay. What about another week in Pattaya? Weekend starts tomorrow. It's gonna get a little crazy. Definitely. You feel it. Let's see what happens.